Hey future coders, I'm Jana and welcome to my channel all about AI and programming. Today we're going to learn how to write your very first Python code, even if you've never coded before. Are you ready? Let's go. Python is one of the easiest and most popular programming languages in the world. It's used for things like artificial intelligence, websites, and even mobile apps. If you learn Python, you can build almost anything. So, how do you get started? To start coding right away, just go to replit.com. Create a free account and hit New REPL. Then select Python as your language. The best part? There's no need to install anything. Everything runs right in your browser. Now let's write your first program together. Type this. Print. Hello world. This tells the computer to print the message on your screen. Try it out right now, and if you did it, comment below. I wrote my first code. Let's take it a step further and make your code say your name. Type name = Jana. Print hi plus name plus welcome to Python. Change Jana to your own name and see your personalized greeting pop up. Now, ready for a challenge? Write code that says, "Today is a great day to learn Python." Post your code in the comments. I'll be checking to see who gets it right. If you just wrote your first Python code, you've officially taken your first step into coding. I'll be making more fun and easy tutorials just for you, so don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and join me next time. Bye-bye, future programmers.